Let's fill out the Mississippi Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together. And do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Today we're going to walk through what you need to know about completing a dirt bike bill of sale in this state. First things first, when it comes to signatures, the original title needs to be signed. So make sure you have that original title on hand and that it gets signed as part of the transaction. Now, for notarization, the new owner, or owners if there are multiple, must be present to sign the title application. So plan ahead and make sure everyone who is taking ownership shows up to sign that application in person. That covers the verified requirements for this state. Keep in mind, we only covered what applies here. So if you have questions about anything else, like odometer readings or purchase price documentation, check with your local motor vehicle office for guidance specific to your situation. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.